Thank you for purchasing the Farmer Helper brand TL Series rotary tiller attachment. Here at Betstco, we strive to make your purchase as easy and pleasant as possible. We have produced this short film to assist you with the assembly of this machine. Always use proper PPE when working with tools and equipment. Tools needed: a 19mm wrench and socket, and you may need an angle grinder or saw to cut the crate. Parts: letter A, 3-point faceplate. B and C are side plates. D and E are top link uprights. F are 10 bolts. G, top link bolt. H, top link sleeve. I, 3 linch pins. J, 3 lift pins. K, 11 lock nuts. L, 2 washers. Step 1. Inspect the machine for damage, cut the wires, and remove the hardware. Step 2. Remove the bolts holding the crate together. If the crate is welded, you will need to cut the crate with the angle grinder or saw. Step 3. Flip the machine gate down. Step 4. Attach the stand. Step 5. Return the machine to the standing position. Step 6. Attach the uprights D and E with bolts F and lock nuts K. Leave the bolts loose to allow adjustment of these pieces. Step 7. Insert the top link bolt G with sleeve H. Use a lock nut K to secure the top link bolt. Step 8. Attach the 3-point faceplate A with bolts F and lock nuts K. Then tighten all the bolts on the 3-point hitch uprights and faceplate. Attach the top link lift pin J with linch pin I. Step 9. Lift the gate open and secure it with the chain. Step 10. Attaching the side plates. Use a 19mm wrench and socket to remove the bolts from the skid support bracket on the back of the machine. Also remove the nut from the gate hinge bracket. Attach the side plates so that the slope points down toward the rear of the tiller. The side plate goes under the gate hinge bracket and under the skid support bracket as shown. Once the plates are in position, tighten down the bolts with a 19mm wrench and socket.